We're at Broadway at the beach, which is one of our favorite places at Myrtle Beach. We're going to take you on a full walking tour and show you everything that Broadway at the beach has to offer. Hi, I'm Carmen, this is Brian, and if you enjoy travel videos and travel tip videos, be sure to click subscribe and the bell so you won't miss anything. Let's check out what they have here at Broadway at the beach. Broadway at the beach is a massive entertainment, dining, and shopping destination. It's about 1 mile from the beach on 21st Avenue North and 17 Business. There's fun for all ages, including rides, an arcade, zip line, speedboat rides, the aquarium, and more. Also, they have festivals, fireworks, and live music seasonally. First, we're going to take you to this section over by Margaritaville. Right now, there's construction going on, so you can't make a contiguous loop around Broadway at the beach. And so we wanted to show you this section so you don't miss anything. This is Dinosaurs, and it's currently closed for the season. We do not know if it will be coming back, but the sign on the door says closed for the season. Right next to Margaritaville, they have the stage, which they have seasonal entertainment at. Let's take a tour of the shops in Heroes Harbor that are right across from Margaritaville. First up, we have old-time portraits. Then we have River Street Suites, which they frequently have free samples inside, toffee, and other fun things. Then we've got Earthbound Trading Company and a Broadway Visitors Information Center. Next up, we have Southern Grill, which is a fairly new eatery here at Broadway. Then we've got the Coastal Carolina Winery. They've got some wine slushies. We've got beef jerky of Myrtle Beach, coastal sunglasses, and the Fan Cave. This is definitely a big draw here at Broadway at the beach, Margaritaville. They've got huge restaurant and bar inside, as well as the sandbar outside with this beautiful lighthouse. The sandbar has a huge bar inside of this area right here that goes all the way around, and seating, and some of the seating is facing the beautiful lake here at Broadway. Next up, we have Blondie's and Cold Stone ice cream. And then we have the Hampton Inn, and this is a great place to stay if you enjoy all the entertainment here at Broadway at the beach. It overlooks the whole complex, and then you can walk to all the shopping, dining, rides, everything they have to offer here. If you've missed our other videos and you're not aware, they have done a massive amount of demolition here at Broadway at the beach. The entire Pavilion East section of rides and games has been torn down, as well as the movie theater, Magic Quest, and Dragon's Lair Golf. We are now headed back to the main part of Broadway at the beach. They also have jet boat rides depending on the season here at Broadway and the beach, right out here in the water. This used to be a 3D IMAX type theater. Now it is empty. The signage is incorrect. That has come and gone. So we'll see what's going to be there next. Next up, we have the Kwik-E-Mart, which is of course Simpsons themed, and that goes along with the Simpsons 4D theater experience. Here's a restaurant we definitely enjoy, Joe's Crab Shack, and they do have outdoor seating right on the water. They have a really large rack room shoes here, and the House of Style. We are now to the New England shop section. We've got Heroes and Villains, a very large shop called Tiki Gems. We've got a Pick-a-Pearl, Broadway Magic, Cups, and Cats and Dogs. Here's a gift shop called So Unique, which is right between the Pick-a-Pearl and the Magic shop. We've also got the We Are Sweets. Got yummy fudge in there. And then this shop is open year-round. They've got a Christmas at the Beach shop. Everything that you want Christmas. Next up is Clig's Kites. It's a pretty big store with all kinds of stuff. It's not just kites. They've got toys and other fun things. We've got Sweet Molly's Creamery and Sweet Carolina's Low Country Grill and Smokehouse. This is a large restaurant, Yamato. It's a hibachi style steakhouse, and they are only open in the evening hours for dinner, I think for 4:30 on, but definitely check their hours. Next up is the Fudgery. And then we have Splash, which has all the kind of bath and body things you want. Got Crocs, Southern Connection, and a very large It's Sugar. I'll show you that a little better when we get up close. Sunglass Hut, and the Tech Shop. What is your favorite thing to do here at Broadway at the beach? Leave us a comment below. Here's the main entrance to It's Sugar. And there's a very large gift shop called the Mole Hole. They've got all kinds of gifts. The Build-A-Bear Workshop. This shop has seen a lot of different shops. It used to be a Department 56. More recently it was a surf shop, but now it is closed again, so we'll be curious to see what comes next. Let's go over here and check out the rides. Right here in front of Pavilion Central, which is the ride area, they've got the fountain, which just came on right as I was talking. And they've also got guest services in case you need anything while you're here at Broadway at the beach, and that includes stroller rentals and other things. Here's a giant slide, and then they have one of those sort of Himalaya type rides called Rock and Roll. They've got the Beast, which is one of Brian's favorite rides. That's your favorite ride here, isn't it?
It's the best ride here.
The best ride here, he said. And then they have the swings, which right now are not up, but it normally is up. I think they're just doing some touch-ups off season. They've got another Himalaya sort of style ride, and then Speed XXL, which Brian also really enjoys. In addition to the rides, they also have a snack stand that has funnel cakes, fried Oreos, fried Twinkies, and other treats. This is Coastal Outfitters, and then we've got Gemini Clothing, Yours and Mayan, Savannah Bee Company, and Tinderbox. This is Liberty Brewery and Grill. It's been here since the beginning of Broadway at the beach, and it's closing down, and we don't know what's going to replace it yet. Looking forward to finding out, because this is definitely a huge venue. Here's Vintage House, Collectibles, Ben and Jerry's, the Broadway T-Shirt Company, and the Hat Fanatic. Here's Eric and Frack, and then we've got Toys Land, Southern Candle, and Southern Living. Here's another large eating establishment and bar called the Grumpy Monk. We have eaten here and we enjoyed what we had, and they have a huge selection of beers. Here's Flip Flop, Masters Edition Fine Art Gallery. We've got a Tervis shop, a Man Cave store. I'm not even sure how to pronounce that one. If you know, you can leave us a comment below. Kentucky Miss Distillery, Sports Fanatics, and another Old Time Portraits. This is Pavilion West, part of the ride section at Broadway at the beach. They have this amazing Ferris wheel, which we absolutely love. Great views from the top. Here's the Seaside Swing. Right behind that is the Monster Truck ride. They've got Myrtle Turtle, which is a small roller coaster. And ooh, the Ferris wheel just started up. That's fun. And we've got the Scrambler, a drop tower, and another car type ride, and then a classic carousel. For outdoor entertainment, they have an outdoor rope course, a zip line that goes right across to the other side of the lake. And here's WonderWorks, which is this giant upside down building. Inside, they have educational activities, sort of roller coaster simulators inside, an indoor rope course, and more. Here's Landry's, which is a large, very good seafood-based restaurant. They also have other things besides seafood. Here's the Backstage Mirror Maze, Escape Games, and Extreme Pizza. Hot Pepper Palace, the Sunglass Hut, and then we have a really large Ron John surf shop. Here's the Boardwalk Winery, Sparkles, Flamingo Joe's, and then we've got a beef jerky of Myrtle Beach again, and Kilwins, Sweet South Popcorn Company, King Kong Sushi, Aunt Annie's Pretzel Shop, Just Horsin' Around Gift Shop, Mr. Ducks, and Myrtle Beach Harley Davidson. Most recently, this was Chuck and Ducks. We do not know what's moving in here yet, but they are definitely getting it close to open, and they've got it painted now. Here's Wet Willie's. We're getting close to the avenue. We're not quite there yet, but that's this sort of bar and entertainment and restaurant area. Here's Charlie's, Senior Frogs, Fat Tuesdays, and the Hard Rock Cafe. Next up is Johnny Rockets. And then this large restaurant is the Key West Grill, and it is closing. There's Rooster's Restaurant and Bar and American Tap House. Right where this beautiful fountain is the Avenue District. Like I mentioned before, this is where a lot of the bars are. There's also some restaurants as well, and of course a Dave & Buster's, which is a bar, but it's also a restaurant, and it's also an arcade. Let's check this out. We've got Wahlburgers here in the Avenue. We've also got Malibu Surf Bar. And then on this side we've got Crocodile Rocks, and this is a dueling piano bar if you're familiar with those. And then one of our newer bars here is Bar Louie, and it is huge, and they also have food there as well. And then at the end there you've got Dave & Buster's, and then we'll take a right, check out what's around the corner. There's another nightclub called Oz. And then right around the corner from Oz is Melt, and that is primarily a wood-fired pizza, but they do have other things as well. Around the corner from Bar Louie's, we've got the Carolina Comedy Club. Here's the Ride Makers, Del Sol, Carolina Bamboo, Claire's, another Fudgery, The Stupid Factory, and Low Country Popcorn. Here's Toys-Asaurus, followed up by Victoria's Secret. Here's Krabby Jack's General Store. It's a very large gift shop. Got Paula Deen's Restaurant. Next up we've got Ben & Jerry's, Retroactive. They have a lot of fun memorabilia. The Maxi Electronics and Cellular Accessories, designer sunglasses. Got Sand and Sun Comfortable Footwear, a Yankee Candle Company shop, the T-Shirt Connection, Splash Bath and Body Shop, Palmetto Paradise, and down at the end we've got a Silver Shack. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure you click on the video on your screen right now and click subscribe so you won't miss anything. Thanks so much for watching. Until our next adventure.